Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all camera settings available on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So let's open the camera. Now in order to access the camera settings, over here we have this gear icon in the top left corner, and if you press it then you should open the camera settings. Over here we will start with intelligent features, where we can enable and disable the option to scan documents and text. We can also tap on this option in order to enable or disable the auto scan and to remove unwanted objects. We have the option to scan QR codes. We have shot suggestions, intelligent optimization, then we have some options for pictures like swipe shutter button, watermark, and advanced picture options, where we have high efficiency pictures and promote picture format. And also in the watermark, we also have the option to show the model name. We can also edit the model name. We have the date and the time and the style of the watermark. We also have two options for selfies, where we can save selfies as previewed, and we can also swipe up down to switch cameras. So if you want to quickly switch to the front camera, you can do that with the gesture. We have the videos auto FPS option, where we can use auto FPS for 30 FPS videos only. We can also use it for 30 and 60, or we can completely disable this option. And this allows you to record brighter videos in low light conditions by automatically optimizing the frame rate in video mode. And we also have the video stabilization, advanced video options, so we can choose the video format, high bitrate videos, which can be enabled and disabled, HDR10+ videos option, and also for the audio, where we can zoom in mic and 360 audio recording. And then we also have some general settings, where we have tracking autofocus, grid lines, location tags, shooting methods, where we can use voice commands. We can also enable and disable the floating shutter button, and we can also enable the palm gesture that allows you to show your palm to the camera to take selfies or start recording selfie videos. And we also can choose what to do with the volume buttons over here. We can also settings to keep, so if you want to remain the same mode or selfie angle and so on and so forth, after you exit and re-enter the camera, then over here you can choose that. We also have vibration feedback, permissions, and then we also can reset all camera settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!